Mactan Pools Equipment and Construction. A lot of you have been requesting me for prices of how much it's gonna cost you in building a swimming pool here in the Philippines. So if you're looking at this size of the booth of Mactan Pools Equipment, this is 2 by 6, 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3, the in charge here is telling me that a 2 by 3
300,000 all in.
all in.
Yeah.
So-
Including excavation, waterproofing, water tiling, all equipments, and also the chemicals and maintenance.
Okay, so maintenance, how many years?
We have warranty 2 years.
2 years. So after that, wala na.
Wala na.
So after So
Call
after
us.
2 years, that is the maintenance for the warranty of the 2 by 3 size swimming pool for 300,000, including everything. So like this one, mo ni imong
Sun filter. We have two kinds of filter, the sun filter and the DE filter.
DE.
Using element, the filter cloth, and this one is using from the word itself, sun.
sand.
Yeah,
So
silica sun.
so which is better for you?
Better for me is the DE because it will filter 1 micron. This one
Mhm.
is 5 micron. So
Oh.
around 4 hours for turnover of the pump, it will help the pool clean.
Oh,
This one
cleaner.
is around 6 to 8 hours.
So if you only buy that one, how much is that one?
This one is
The unit alone,
30,000 and this one is 48,000.
48,000. So that's more expensive, the item. So this one are water pumps.
Water pumps, swimming pool pumps, the Emox brand and the Hayward brand USA. This one is Hong Kong based pumps.
Oh, so how much is that? Just the pump
This
alone?
one is 30,000 and this one is 39,000.
Okay, so the US brand is
Yes.
39,000. Ang iyang capacity,
Capacity 1.5 horsepower.
1.5 horsepower. So the Hong Kong one,
This one the same.
the same.
Yeah.
So they also have this with the accessories for the pool is not included with the package. Included.
Included the brush.
I mean this one, the
The light.
aesthetics.
No, not included.
So you have it's your choice kung if you wanna put some lights under your pool. But those are the tiles that are
different variants, different colors of tiles.
that you can choose from, that's included with the package. So these are the kana dong unsa na siya mga drainage.
Skimmer, yeah, drainage. Drain.
So
Main
how-
drain, the skimmer, suction.
So how much is the skimmer?
The skimmer is 5,000. The drain is 1,399.
All right. So you kana mga accessories,
Accessories, vacuum hose, lip scoop.
is that included with the
Yeah,
package?
included in the package.
When they do a package building your pool and everything, you just pay
Nylon brush,
nylon brush, okay.
algae brush for hard brushing,
Okay.
and also the vacuum head.
How about the cleaning? Do you have to supply the chemicals for
Yes,
cleaning?
of course. We have chlorines and algicide.
Is that when you're still under warranty?
Yeah.
But after that, you buy it by yourself, no?
And also this one, ma'am, the telescopic pool.
Telescopic pool. So for cleaning the pool. So after the warranty, it's now you have to buy the. So this is their company, Mactan Pools Equipment.
Located in Lapu-Lapu City, Maribago.
So they're located in Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City, near
Blue Water Resort.
Blue Water Resort. So what they offer is supply of swimming pool equipment, swimming pool maintenance, construction of swimming pool plumbing, swimming pool quotation, even the drawing,
Yeah.
supply of underwater LED lights, supply of accessories and chemicals, swimming pool renovation and installation of swimming pool equipment and accessories. So they got their products, underwater lights, filter pumps, cleaning equipment, and accessories. So this is their contact.
Ano na, sir? Accessories, chemicals.
So these are their product.
Sir, anyway, full contact details na po.
So these are the brand.
Yes, sir. So, Construction and supply.
So you only have to contact them and give them the size and the deepness of the pool that you want, and they will give you a quotation. So they got the additional underwater LED lights.
Kina-filter of baligyan.
Kumara dito sa tayo.
Mga pila man siya.
Pwede din doon. Nakipista dito din. Bukan to mga 30 square meters.
Pila na ka meter sa per quad. Ang iyang height ug iyang length.
30 meters. Ang labing taas. Mga 1.8.
So you can email them, get the length
Mga 1 meter.
and the deepness of the pool that you're planning, and they will give you a quotation. But